Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the CPAP strap covers. So this helps reduce the pressure in sores from the CPAP mask strap and helps to promote uninterrupted full night of sleep. Amazing. Thank you for your purchase. You are welcome. This is what the packaging looks like. 100% satisfaction after sales service. Nice. All right, let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. Wow. Wow. So that's what it looks like. Very cool. 8 of them. I think you can put these anywhere. Let's check this out. All right, and this item isn't returnable under Amazon policy. Okay. Strap covers. In large size strap cover. Yeah, so this is how you set it up. Compatible with most CPAP full face and nasal masks. So here's the instructions. Slide it through. Just an extra cushion on those CPAP face masks. Wash first before using the strap cover. Cool. Breathable, soft fleece. Very important. Yeah, cool. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. And again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.